My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Jaguar XE. This vehicle has done just under 85,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen we have eco data, valet mode, in-control apps, climate control, navigation, Bluetooth and media. If you put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with rear parking aid. Just below the screen we have our AC, and using these buttons here we can switch between our 4 different driving modes, which are dynamic, normal, eco and rain, ice and snow. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior and get a good view of the sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.